In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and tapping on it. Then hit Got it in the pop-up. Select while using the app and tap on Allow. Finally, use this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit Yes in Permission Request pop-up. Tap on Recorder, use gray switcher next to Allow Do Not Disturb, and hit Allow. When you go back this time, you can finally start recording by clicking on the same red button. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on red button again. To end it and save it though, click on the square one. Now, by tapping on Add Title at the top, you can name your recording however you want to. Then to delete it right away, hit Delete at the bottom left corner. And to save it, hit Save at the bottom right one. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To get rid of it, you need to hold it instead. Use Delete icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!